In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dynamic chart titles in Power BI Desktop. Dynamic titles automatically reflect the filters and slicers your users interact with, so your visuals always stay clear and relevant. This is perfect for dashboards where context matters, for example, showing which region, year, or product category the chart is currently displaying. Start by clicking the chart whose title you want to make dynamic. You want to make sure the visual itself is selected so the options you change apply to the right place. Then, look over to the Visualizations pane and open the format settings for that visual. This is the paint roller icon in classic formatting, or the format section in the pane, depending on your interface. Next, navigate to the General section and find the title options. Make sure the title is turned on so it's actually visible on the chart. You'll see a text box where you can type a static title. Instead of typing, we're going to make it dynamic. To do that, click the small FX icon next to the title text field. That opens the conditional formatting dialog for title text, which is where the magic happens. Here, you'll select the field or measure that your title should refer to. If you already have a measure that returns the text you want, for example, a measure that uses the currently selected category, choose Format by Field Value and pick that measure. If you prefer to tie the title directly to a field that changes with your slicers, select that field as the basis. Once selected, Power BI will use the value of that field to update the title automatically as filters and slicers change. Confirm your selection, and you'll see the title update right away. Try interacting with a slicer or filter to test it. If your field is impacted by those interactions, the title will update in real time, keeping your audience oriented without extra labels or explanations. A quick tip: if you often have multiple selections, some fields may show a generic label like multiple or leave the title blank. In those cases, a dedicated measure that builds a friendly sentence can give you more control. You can also keep your title readable by keeping it short and using the standard title formatting options for alignment, font, and size just as you normally would. And there you go. Your chart now has a dynamic, context-aware title. That's all.